Nilfisk introduces the new MH series of hot water pressure washers with an extensive range of variants covering from medium to heavy-duty applications. MH series is a highly mobile machine that can easily be transported and moved around in your facility or used as a stationary unit. The Nilfisk MH series is developed to ease the everyday cleaning job for our users and customers. The machines are easy and simple to use, and not to forget, highly reliable workhorses that you can count on day in and day out. The machines are the ideal choice for general cleaning, using both hot and cold water. Battling cleaning challenges from mud, animal manure to road dirt, oils, and greases. The machines come with 3 to 4 durable ceramic pistons, ensuring you high quality. For the extra tough challenges, the heavy-duty variants are the right choice with their larger water flow, higher pressure, and the efficient EcoPower boiler. The EcoPower boiler ensures an even higher boiler efficiency, saving both the environment and your fuel costs, giving you an improved total cost of ownership. An additional benefit to the environment is the Eco Mode function setting. Cleaning in this mode ensures the most fuel-efficient temperature setting for the boiler, a benefit for both you and the environment. On the MH series, everything has its perfect place for easy access to all accessories and for maintenance and inspection areas, couplings, fuel tank, and flow regulation. Everything is simple and easy to reach. An onboard LED display with hour counter, temperature settings, and diagnostics function that will inform about maintenance warnings, thus avoiding any downtime, leaving you with a machine that is always ready to do the job. The MH series provides you with a well-known Nilfisk quality, combined with a best-in-class design, giving you the mobility to work anywhere.